Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Obapa Kitchen again. In this edition, we are going to make egg stew. Okay, we are going to make egg stew. It's Friday, it's perfect for the day, so let's get started. Alright guys, so first you are going to need your crushed tomatoes. I have about 28 ounces of crushed tomatoes. And guys, I'm loving this sunflower oil. It's non-GMO, gluten-free, zero cholesterol, and also zero trans fats. And of course, it's good for deep frying and everything. So I'm hooked to this oil, whether you like it or not. Alright guys, so I have my eggs. I have about 5 eggs that I'm going to use for the stew. I have my garlic, ginger, and pepper. Okay, you need that hot spicy pepper for your stew. And guys, I found this tomato paste. It's my first time seeing it, and I'm like, let me give it a try. Let's see how it turns out. You can get it from any supermarket near you. Okay, it's gonna be perfect for my stew. And also guys, I have Titus Sardines. If you don't like sardine, you can use mackerel, you can use whatever fish you have, you can use tuna, you can use whatever you have, just feel free. But this recipe I'm using Titus. And also I have 2 fresh onions. You know how much I love red onions guys, so that's what I'm using. And my seasoning, I have about half each spoon of moustache and paprika, and also I have half each teaspoon of nutmeg and curry powder. And of course, don't forget about your salt. This is about half teaspoon of salt. So guys, let's get started. So now I have 2 onions. Okay, so I'm going to use 1.5 onion for this stew. So I am going to cut 1.5 and blend everything together, and the other half is going to use later. So now I cut everything nicely. And also add your ginger root. This is a fresh ginger root guys, trust me. Add this ginger root to the stew and you will be amazed. And also add your chili hot pepper and your garlic. Put it to blend, okay, and no water. I did not add water at all. I'm just going to blend it the way it is, and then when it is done, we are going to set it aside. Aside, yeah. Alright guys, so when it's done, set it aside, and then let's get started. So now I have my eggs. I am going to break them and I'm going to mix them very well because I am going to use that eggs later. So I'm just going to beat it together and then use them later on. You know what I mean? Does it make sense? Alright guys, so it's time to mix them together. And of course, make sure you mix it very well. You want everything to be mixed, so when you put it in your stew, it won't be like half yolk and half white. That's not what you want. And now I have my empty pan, so I'm going to use a soup spoon to measure this oil. I don't know how to measure the oil, so I'm using this so that you guys will get the idea. Okay, and of course I added the half onion. That is what I am frying with. I cut it into pieces and I just started with the oil. So the reason why I'm frying this is going to give the oil a very nice taste, and it's going to take any bad scent or any bad smell away. And now fry it until it turns like golden color, like a brownish. It's kind of like it's burning, but it's not. So that is what you need. That is perfect for your stew, trust me guys. Let it fly like that. And also add your ginger, onion, garlic, and the pepper paste. Okay, stir it and then let it cook. To tell that the stew is cooked or the onion is cooked, you will see that the oil will come out from the onion. That is how you get to know that this stew is cooking or the onion is cooking. Like it's turned like a brown, but it's not really brown. Yeah, that's how you know that it is done. So now I am going to add my sardine because guys, I like the sardines. I like the flavor of it. So start the sardine right now. Okay, you're gonna tell the difference. That is what you have to do. So I'm just gonna mix them together with the onion and everything and let it cook for about 5 minutes. So now after 5 minutes, we are going to add our tomato, the crushed one guys. Make sure you add the crushed tomatoes and then mix them well. And also I am going to add about 2 teaspoons of the tomato paste. I think so. Yeah. Alright. Add about 2 teaspoons of tomato paste to your sauce. Okay. And of course, give it a little stir, and then you can from here you can add some of your seasonings. Okay. Yeah. So I'm going to start with the paprika and mustache, and then I am going to add my half teaspoon of salt. Yeah, this is the right time to add your salt and your seasonings. Okay, not all of it, but some of it. Give it a little stir, and I'll cover it and let it cook. And guys, while you cover it and it's cooking, make sure you stir it regularly, because you don't want to burn your stew. Do you want to burn your stew? I don't think so. So make sure you open it regularly and you stir it. Lower your heat to medium and keep stirring it and let it cook for about 25 minutes. Alright guys, so now I just added my eggs, and I'm not gonna stir it right now. As soon as you add your eggs, make sure you give it a little time to cook before you stir. So I cover it for about 5 minutes, and after 5 minutes you can stir it very gently, not too fast. I mean gently, okay guys, that's what I mean. Okay, so now give it a little stir. Okay, that's what I'm doing. Guys, you see, smell how nice this stew is. This stew is smelling amazing. This stew is smelling very nice. Guys, try this stew, and you're gonna tell me, you're gonna email me and tell me that, oh, Papa, this stew is very, very nice. So now I am going to add the rest of my seasoning, that is curry powder and then the nutmeg. So give it a little stir, guys, not too much, gently, because you don't want to smash your eggs. Okay, you don't want to make an egg stew and it will come out and it's all smashed out, and you cannot tell whether it's egg stew or tomato stew or fish stew. You know what I mean? Yeah. So now my stew is done. I let it cook for another 5 minutes after I add the rest of the seasoning, and it is done. So as you can see, I have my rice. I am going to serve it with the rice. Of course, the other one I made, I served it with yam, but today I think I'm going to serve it with rice. And also, of course, you can eat it with banku, kenke, yam, plantain, rice, cocoyam, cocoa. Yeah, you can eat that one with it as well. Okay guys, so this is how I make my egg stew. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. If you like it, give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to my channel, welcome to my channel. This is OBAAPA Kitchen. We are here to cook. I hope you are learning something. Am I making sense so far? Okay, I hope so. So thank you all for watching. Thank you so much for your time, and then don't forget to subscribe. Stay tuned for OBAAPA videos. Bye guys.